We have our goldfinch back. There is a pair. As you can see, they're after the knapweed seed. That's really good. I was wondering if they were going to come back, but there wasn't any reason that they wouldn't. And the other one is to my right somewhere. Just get up without fright. Oh, there it is on the top there. And let's see if we can capture that somewhere, wherever it is. There. That's the other one. That Niger's in the way a little bit, but it has moved, so we should be able to get it. There. That's good. I've actually got a Niger seed feeder, which is just above where that one is, which is there, but they're not bothered by it at the moment. They're not worried about feeding from it, which is a bit odd as they're like a foot away. They must know it's there, but that's alright. As long as they're getting fed, that's the thing. And this light fading has helped actually with the quality of the colour. As I find this camera, on the setting it's on, picks out the colours when it's not bright. So it's helped me enormously to capture this in full colour, to show them off in all their normal glory, if you like. Don't know where the other one is. This one's enjoying itself. Certainly is. And of course, once they know it's here, they'll be back again, because there's still plenty of knapweed. As you can see there, that one's still in flower, so there's still plenty to go at. And they've gone to seed. I still can't see the other one. We'll have to concentrate on this one at the minute. It's got to be there somewhere. Come on. It's below that feeder, so it should come into view, into focus. How annoying is that? Let me go to the right and pick that feeder up and then come down. Let's go out a bit and then in a bit. Let's see if it adjusts. You wouldn't believe it, would you, like from previous, when the film started. Ah, they've both gone again now. Something frightened them off out there. There's various birds out there. Oh, but that's good, I like that.